Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to redeem your Marks and Spencer's gift card. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously open your preferred browser, and on the search box that's on your browser, go ahead and type Marks and Spencer. Once you do that, tap on the first link that appears, which is www.marksandspencer.com. Now, to be able to redeem your gift card, you must first purchase something from this website. So go ahead and accept all cookies. First of all, select a category you'd like to shop from. Once you've selected the item that you'd like to buy, go ahead and tap on Add to Bag. Once you've done that, a pop-up window will appear and you'll be able to see the checkout option that appears on the bottom right corner of this window. If you click on it, you'll be redirected to a different page, which is My Basket. Now go ahead and tap on See Next Step. Over here, you'll be required to enter your email address and your password so that you can log into your M&S account so that you can check your product out. However, if you do not have an account, there's also an option for guest checkout. Tap on it. Go ahead and enter your email address. Once you've done that, click on Continue. Over here, the first thing you're going to do is select the delivery method that you prefer to obtain your order. After that, go ahead and enter the postcode or the town for your collection location. After you've done that, go ahead and select the store from which you'd like to pick up from. After doing so, tap on Select Store. The next thing you're going to do is set the collection date for the item when you'd like to collect it and tap on Confirm Selection. Finally, the next thing you're going to do is Payment Method. Over here, you'll be able to see Pay by gift card or rewards voucher or use a promotion code. So if you have a gift card and you want to redeem it, this is the way to go. Simply tap on Pay by gift card and rewards voucher, then go ahead and enter the code for your gift card. After doing so, you'll be able to click on Apply, and this will allow you to pay with your gift card, and then you'll be able to purchase the product using the gift card. And this is how you can redeem your gift card in the Marks & Spencer official website. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.